All right, before you read Scene 2, make sure that you have answered the questions all about Scene 1 on Google Classroom. Scene 2, the same village. The 7 chiefs stand together on stage. If there's 7 chiefs, that kind of gives you a clue that there's 7 villages or 7 nations that have come together. So people decided something had to be done. A great meeting was held for all the different nations. The 7 wisest chiefs got together to talk about the problem. My people all think the sky is too close. A very good job was done by making the world. That is true, but the sky should have been put up higher. My tall son keeps hitting his head on the sky. My daughter keeps losing her ball in the sky. People keep going up into the sky when they should have been staying on the earth to help each other. When mothers look for their children, they cannot find them because they are up playing in the sky. We are agreed then, the sky is too close. We are agreed. There's some more of the chiefs. What can we do? I have an idea. Let's push up the sky. The sky is heavy. But if we all push together, we can do it. We will ask the birds and animals to help. They also do not like it that the sky is so close. The elk are always getting their antlers caught in the sky. The birds are always hitting their wings on it. We will cut tall trees to make poles, and we can use those poles to push up the sky. Hey, that's a good idea. Are we all agreed? We are all agreed. Alright, so they have what they think is a solution. You think it's going to work? You think it's not going to work? Now what you can do is go to the class Padlet and look for the question, answer it, and read what other kids are also thinking.